Another 30 seconds and that's it for another year. The last boat in for this year has just arrived. End of the 20th season of Beacon Park Boats, or for us only Beacon Park Boats. And then now for the winter maintenance, when all 20 boats here have to go through this shed and get repainted. They don't get any easier this season, even though you've done 20 years of it. So it's always good when the last one comes in.
Did a few nighttime walks, seen a few pubs and got about. It was alright, wasn't it?
It was really nice, and it's a lovely boat.
And everybody's friendly.
Last boat just arrived in, and Sam and Mark here, the two engineers here at Beacon Park Boats, have been on call now for 32 weeks, 24/7, to answer your calls immediately when you need us. So quick thank you to you both. And thank you, Sam.
Thank you very much.
And we're all ready and raring to go again for next March.
What are you going to do with your evenings?
Oh, I don't know. I have to find a new hobby.
The first time in 20 years we're open for Christmas. So it's a bit of a weird season for us because some of these have to go out again for 2 weeks, then they come back again until March. So we're interested to know every year has its challenges, but we're always here to meet them.